Hello friends, welcome back to the channel AK Gardening Passion. Friends, it's winter season to arrive and it's the most flowering season of the year for seasonal flowers. So keeping this in mind, we will discuss some about the potting media. From these videos, we will see different medias for potting mix. So in this video, you will know about garden soil. So let's get started. But before starting the actual video, if you have not subscribed AK Gardening Passion channel yet, then subscribe AK Gardening Passion channel and turn the settings to all so that you will get the latest notifications from the channel, and don't forget to like and share the videos. Garden soil is an important component or aspect of gardening, whether it might be landscape gardening, agriculture, or container gardening. Growth and health of plant totally depends upon the potting mix or potting media or garden soil. There are many varieties of soil depending upon the geographical conditions and locations, ranging from clayey soil to sandy soil and alkaline soil to acidic soil, and also from the color that is red to brown to black soil. Here the question arises that which soil is best for gardening. So here we will discuss which soil is best for gardening. So here I am listing down some properties of ideal garden soil. The first property is that it must be sandy in texture, then it must be porous. Also, it should retain some amount of moisture in it. It should drain water easily instead of blocking water. Then it should not get compact and it should remain loose. It should not have stones and other hard materials in it. So you can use the garden soil in original form. It has all these properties, but in actual condition these all properties are not available or are not present in the garden soil. So these all are the properties or characteristics of ideal garden soil. But in many areas such kind of soil is not available, and also the pH of soil matters. But if you have alkaline soil and if you want acidic soil for planting some kind of plants, then you can create it, as some plants require alkaline or moderate to acidic soil. So to check the garden soil, there are simple methods to check the garden soil, that whether it is ideal or not. So first put the garden soil in a pot and add water. If it takes more time to drain the water, then your soil is not good for plants. The next way to check the garden soil is that take some part of soil and press it. If it gets like dough or it gets compact like clay, then your soil is not ideal. Check how much days it takes the soil to dry between two watering intervals. If it takes more time to dry and the soil remains clayey, the upper layer of soil is all time wet and there is algae growth, then the soil is not ideal for gardening. You can check the pH of soil by pH testing tool, which is easy to use, and if you want to buy the pH testing tool, you can check the description box of this video. I will leave the link of the product in description box. Regarding pH of the soil and plants requiring pH ranges, some plants require alkaline soil and some plants require moderate to acidic soil. In many areas, the desired soil is not available. So it is essential to create the potting mix. So let's see the ways you can create the soil ideal for gardening. You can create it by adding some amount of sand, by adding some amount of compost to create it acidic. Then you can add some amount of coco peat, which will retain some amount of moisture in it. We will see about the ideal potting mix and how to prepare it in detail in upcoming videos. If not proper soil or potting mix is used, then it might lead to root rot, then decaying of bulbs, decaying of rhizomes, and ultimately death of plant. So to avoid it, the ideal potting mix or ideal garden soil is essential. So stay tuned with videos to check how to prepare the ideal garden soil. Points to remember while using garden soil in potting mix. So be aware while using the garden soil that it should not have stones or hard particles in it. It should be solarized or sun dried or sterilized in high temperature of sun. Then soil should be taken from up to 6 inches of upper layer of land. Friends, if you are doing landscaping or directly planting the plants in land, then there is not much problem of garden soil. But when you are using garden soil for container gardening, then there is problem that it should have the listed properties in it. So friends, this was about the garden soil. In upcoming videos, we will see how we can use garden soil as a potting media. So stay tuned with channel, and friends, the next video will be from potting media, that is sand. Thanks for patiently watching the video. Hope you got some information, and if you felt that video is informative, then hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. I appreciate your effort to watch the video and your time spent. Thank you.